Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just recently, earlier today, made this drawing, and somebody wanted to do this, but they're having trouble. They told me they're going Control D and then moving it in, but then when they weld it, it doesn't work. It's because there's just a bunch of lines there, and you can see before we duplicated it that these are different parts. So what you can do to solve that problem is take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in and then nudge that over out of the way. Let's get it out of the way. Well, now it's in that one. And what the Smart Fill tool did is it joined all those nodes. So we're going to left click and right click it. Right click it. Now, when we Control D, and hold down the shift key and bring it into the center. And you want to kind of watch some parts and then weld it, and look what happens. It made it a lot more interesting pattern, and that's what you would get. Now there's some lines right there that are going to be really small. They're going to cut out, but it might add to it. There's a way to do that. Let's right click, no fill. Let's make the outline red. And let's see if we can't break curve apart. And then you could take these individual lines, I actually got two copies there, and delete this. Delete these little fine lines, because that's maybe going to burn away in your laser. Now I would always, again, take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. That did kind of take away some of the detail, but it's a really cool effect. So I like it when people take my drawings and try to redraw them on their own, and he was pretty successful. Of course, this is mine. He sent me a screenshot of what he'd done and told me what he was doing. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.